Rising above the village of Borthwick in Midlothian, Scotland, Borthwick Castle is one of the best preserved medieval fortresses in the country, dominating the surrounding countryside with its massive walls and towers. The castle was built in 1430 by Sir William Borthwick, a powerful Scottish nobleman, as a fortified residence capable of withstanding both siege and attack. Its impressive 30-metre-high keep remains one of the tallest in Scotland, emphasising strength and status simultaneously. Borthwick Castle played a central role in Scottish history, particularly during the 16th century. Mary Queen of Scots was famously held here in 1567 after the murder of her secretary, David Rizzio, highlighting the castle's importance in national politics and intrigue. Its defensive design includes thick stone walls, a deep moat, and narrow windows for archers. The surrounding bailey housed kitchens, stables, and service buildings, making it a fully self-contained fortress able to endure long sieges. During the following centuries, the castle changed hands multiple times and eventually fell into partial disrepair. However, its core structures remained remarkably intact due to its robust construction. In the 20th century, Borthwick Castle was restored and converted into a unique venue for events, including weddings, film shoots, and cultural activities. Visitors today can explore its Great Hall, towers, and historic chambers, walking in the footsteps of Scottish nobility and royalty.